Hey, how's it going? Today we're out here at Plaza De Espana. It is where the Spanish governor used to have his mansion. It was out here from the 1700s up until World War II, where it was completely destroyed. I guess around 1800, summertime in the 1800s, it was rebuilt. I guess something must have happened to it, or they just remodeled. I don't know, but it's a pretty cool site. If you get a chance, check it out. So this here was referred to as the chocolate house. This tree has one thick trunk. So this is the site of the old garden that used to be out here. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, so remember to comment, like, and subscribe. All right, thanks.